Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll provide you a demo on fanIn fanout durable function. I would encourage you to please watch my previous video related to durable function and function app. So let's start. In our previous video related to durable function, we learned that there are 6 patterns or scenarios where we can use durable function to manage the state. This is the second pattern called fanIn fanout. The fanIn fanout pattern is a technique used to parallelize and consolidate the execution of multiple tasks. In this image, we have F1 function which get triggered and it orchestrates 3 more functions in parallel. This parallel function will execute to perform different activities concurrently. This is called as fanout. In the same image, if we say that the last function F3 waits for the other 3 parallel tasks or functions to complete and combine the result, this is called fanIn scenario. This pattern allows for efficient parallel execution, reduce processing time, and enables the consolidation of data or result obtained from the parallel task. Let me provide you a demo here so that it will be more clear to you. For demo, we will create a function app in Visual Studio. So let's start. Provide a meaningful name for function app, click on next, select .NET 8 and durable function and click on create. So it will create us a new function app with some boiler code. We'll perform required changes later in this video. Before that, let me provide a meaningful name to function. To rename the function app, let me navigate to Solution Explorer. Select the class, right click on it, rename it and click on yes. Now the class name is changed. Copy the class name and I will use the same class name as a function name. You can use different name as well. Let me do the required changes in function app. We'll come back once the changes are done. So now all code changes are done. Let me explain you the code first. As we learned that every durable function are having orchestrator function. So in our demo, we have run orchestrator function in line number 16. In our last slide, I have showed you that output of F1 function is used as input to parallel process and all parallel process waits for completion. Once the process completes, there is F3 function which consolidates the output and provide a output to end user. In similar way, in our demo also we have a 3 function F1, F2 and F3. So we have F1 function which is at line number 21 and it is generating an output and saving in a variable called workbatch. We are calling F2 function also in line number 24 under for each loop. So this is the function which is running in parallel. So we have multiple instances of F2 function running in parallel which uses output of F1 as input and generate its own output. All this output are consolidated in line number 30 and this output is used as an input for F3 function which provides ultimate results to end user. In line number 36 we have function F1 which is returning the array of integer. In line number 44 we have function F2 which is taking integer value as a parameter. In line number 51 we have F3 function which is returning integer value. In line number 59 we have an HTTP start which is an entry point of our function and it is an HTTP trigger. Let me build the application. We'll come back once the build is successful. Build is successful. Let me copy this URL. To run this URL we will use a postman. So let me navigate to postman. This is the postman homepage. Let me open the window, select a post method, paste the URL and click on send. It will trigger our function app. Let me navigate to console application. Here if you see F1 is executed, F2 is executed here and below F3 is executed. If you noticed, F2 triggered multiple times to perform tasks in parallel. This is one of the example for fanIn fanout scenario. Hope this will help you to understand the concept. With this, we end our video here. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.